Hello and welcome. Let's go over your daily challenge for day 16, which is themed around space. This is a challenge that I want you to do at night before going to bed or just at some time in the evening. To cultivate and find this sense of space, I want you to do yoga nidra. I'm going to link some videos as well as some audio meditations that I like for yoga nidra down below, but you can of course just go on the internet, online, on YouTube, and just search yoga nidra and you can find a massive amount of them. If you're familiar with yoga nidra, you can of course just do it on your own without following along to an audio meditation or a specific script, but I do like the scripted one, so something that can guide you through that process. Yoga nidra, a beautiful, really relaxing and healing practice. I like to do it in bed right before I'm about to fall asleep, but you might do it, you can also kind of do it in the afternoon when you need a little bit of an energy booster. It's a great way to kind of almost take a nap, but you're not taking a nap. But if you feel like you're mentally overstimulated, or if you feel like you just need a little bit of a refresher, it can be really nice to just lie down on your mat and do like 20 minutes or so of a yoga nidra practice, and then once more go about your day, and hopefully you're feeling a lot more energized, focused, and refreshed overall. So either in the afternoon or sometime at night, practice yoga nidra. If it's something you've never done before, it's a beautiful kind of like almost a guided meditation for full body deep relaxation, often called a yogic sleep. You're not actually asleep, but it's a very dreamlike state, really replenishing and just a really healing state to be in, and a great way to cultivate and tap into this theme of space. So I hope you'll enjoy it. Let us know how it goes for you, and we'll connect again tomorrow morning.